Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cook TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from our Snezana cards, and it's cup number 1101-089_1641, and it's called Male Jeans Print Card for All Occasions Mini Card Kit. So you actually get 3 sheets plus a bonus sheet in this kit, and it's to fit an 8x8 inch square card. You get the card front, you get gift tags, decoupage, inserts and sentiments, and then you get a bonus blank insert as well. So I'd like to show you exactly what you get, and then we'll go ahead and make the card. So the first sheet is the card front, and then we get 2 mini gift tags as well. So you could use those as gift tags, you could make them into mini cards. The choice is yours. You could coordinate your whole look with those. Our next sheet is the decoupage to build up the card front. So we've got quite a few layers. We've got our main base layer to build up from, and we go right down to the phone as well. So quite a few there, and great decoupage, great kit for any guy in your life. Our third sheet is the insert sheet and extra sentiments. And then our fourth sheet is a blank insert panel. So if you'd rather use one of your own sentiments, maybe you've got a rubber stamp or a die, something that you want to use, maybe you've got quite a long message to write, you could use the bonus sheet. Then we've got a bonus gift tag as well, and the bonus blank sentiment panels. So I just want to show you the gift tags. So once you've cut them out, you could make them into mini cards. You could use them as tags, just pop a hole in a corner and add a little bit of ribbon, or you could use string with these. That would work really well. So just a little bit of something extra. I've got a blank 8x8 inch square card, and this I am going to just turn over because we're going to start on the back of the card. I'm going to take the bonus insert panel, and I've got just flat double-sided tape on the back. Now you can use whatever glue you want to use, whatever you feel comfortable using, tape runner, wet glue, whatever you want to use. I'm going to add the insert panel to the back of the card, right in the centre, like that. Press it down. I've then got the smaller panel, the extra bonus, again, flat double-sided tape on the back. And I'm going to add this just slightly to the bottom centre. And I'm marrying up where the lines are on the blank panel to the lines on the extra gift tag, just so it kind of sticks with the pattern a little bit. Press it down. You don't have to, it's just what I'm doing. And then I've taken one of the sentiments that says especially for you. I've got just flat double-sided tape on the back, and I'm just going to add that in the centre. There we go. And press it down. So that's the back of our card. You could write on there handmade by Anne-Marie, or add your own name. You could add a little message. It's entirely up to you. So now I'm going to go to the actual insert of the card. And I've got the second insert that's included in the kit. I've simply got double-sided tape on the back, so I'm peeling away the back of the tape, and I'm just going to place this in the centre of the card and then press it down when I'm happy. There we go. Simple as that. So we've got the beautiful design on it, and we've also got enough room for our message as well. So then we can turn our attention to the front of the card and building up that gorgeous decoupage. I've got the card front, I've cut it out, I've got double-sided tape on the back, and I'm just peeling the carrier sheet of the tape away. And I just want to point something out. The tape I put on the back, yes, it's normally horizontal. It doesn't really matter whether it's horizontal or vertical or however you put it on. I always just put 3 strips on. You don't need to overdo it, just as long as you've got the edges covered, and you know, as long as it sticks, that's the main thing. So it's just what I do. I use a thicker double-sided tape, so it doesn't kind of matter where you put the glue on. If you're using wet glue, you know, don't overdo it. You don't want it to go wrinkly or soggy, but you know, make sure your edges are stuck down and the majority of the design. So I'm going to just place the card front in the middle of the card, and when I'm happy, press it down. Then I can start building up the decoupage. So my first layer is the largest layer. I've cut out, I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just simply going to marry up the design from the front of the card to the design that I've cut out for the layer number 1. Layer number 2 is the rucksack and the trainers. 3D foam on the back. Again, just marry up the design and press down. The next layer is just the trainers. 3D foam on the back. Just marry up the design. Next, we have the phone and the watch. 3D foam on the back. So it's up to you if you want to do one layer or if you want to do all of them. Next is just the phone. 3D foam on the back again. Then we've got the games console. 3D foam on the back. There we go. And I've got a little message to say special friend. And I'm thinking, if I put that roughly about there, that works for me. There we go. And that is our card finished. So we've got those beautiful layers of decoupage for the front. We've got our insert, and then the back of the card ties it all together nicely. We've got our gift tags as well that we can use to coordinate. Gorgeous card for any guy in your life, or for any lady, you know, it doesn't have to be a guy. I know it says cool dude, but you know. So you can see any of Snezana's designs by looking for and searching on the Craftsuprint website for as Snezana, and it's cup number cup 1101089_1641. So I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.